Thanks so much, Matt. Time right now, 9:14. Well, there are thousands of products and procedures targeted towards women to help hold on to youth as long as possible. Understanding what works and what doesn't can sometimes be a little bit overwhelming. Good news for us, Dr. Schroeder from Perfect Skin Dermatology is here to help this morning. And today you are here to discuss non-invasive female rejuvenation. So let's just start at the basics. What exactly is that? Explain to our viewers what that is.
Okay, so female rejuvenation is basically, with age, we experience some changes vaginally and in the vulvar area, and you have laxity. Just because of hormone changes and menopause, childbirth, there are these changes that can occur, and women may experience some symptoms such as stress urinary incontinence, which is urinary leakage, painful sexual intercourse. They may have dryness, chafing, and they may have orgasmic dysfunction because of these changes. And so there are procedures that there are some traditional ones that have been out there for years, and then there are some new ones to address different concerns.
Right, and you're here to talk about some non-invasive procedures, right?
Yes, yep, I have. So traditionally there have been Kegel exercises, which are exercises that are designed to strengthen the pelvic floor.
Sure.
And I think that they're minimally helpful, quite frankly, all the way to more invasive surgical procedures, which actually carry a high risk of post-operative complications such as dyspareunia, which is painful sexual intercourse.
Sure.
But in the last few years, there has been a new classification of procedures, or a new group of procedures that actually address female rejuvenation, and they're energy-based devices. This is not new technology. These are lasers, radio frequency devices. Some of them have been around for 20 years. We as dermatologists have used them for 20 years, but we've used them on the face to rejuvenate, to treat acne scarring, to treat stretch marks. But now we're finding that they work really well for female rejuvenation.
Sure. So there's plenty of options that are not invasive that you offer at Perfect Skin Dermatology, right?
Sure. Yes, there are.
Right.
If I could,
sure.
The three basic things that we do with energy devices, and we don't have them all in my office, but it's radio frequency, which you may have heard of thermage. It's been around for 15 years or so. It's heat that basically remodels tissue. Then there's erbium YAG, which is a laser, and then CO2, which is also a laser. I am partial to CO2. I think it's the most effective, and that's what I have.
Okay.
We have something called a FemTouch. It's a fractional laser. And usually women have a series of 3 treatments that are about 4 weeks to 6 weeks apart. Most women notice or they feel a difference after 2 of those treatments, but we do recommend 3. And then as we continue to age, we recommend a booster once a year touch-up.
So who is a perfect candidate for a procedure like this?
So any woman that feels that she is having urinary leakage or dryness, she is not able to achieve orgasm as easily as she may have in the past.
Right.
Those are reasons to do this.
Right. And for some women, this may be kind of an embarrassing topic. They might not want to bring it up with their doctor.
Right.
Do you have any advice for them on how to do that in a way that might make it a little bit more comfortable?
Well, you mean to the regular doctor,
or to anyone? Just if you notice something that's going on, it's not right.
I would
speaking
just
up is the thing
to do,
right?
Absolutely, speak up and say, what are my options?
Very nice.
Yes.
All right. Well, thanks so much for being here. If people are interested in learning more about this procedure or getting more information, can you give them where they can get that?
Yes. You can go to our website. It's www.perfectskinderm.com, or you can call us.
All right, very nice. Dr. Schroeder, thank you so much for being here this morning. As Dr. Schroeder just said, more information on rejuvenation or other services Dr. Schroeder offers, you can go online to perfectskinderm.com or call 719-421-7132. All right, time.